Nissan Philippines has recently brought the Nissan Intelligent Mobility Tour and augmented reality presentation of Nissan's ePower technology to Cebu, featuring its suite of cutting-edge technologies along with the recently launched Nissan Livina. Through their interactive displays and augmented reality features, customers were able to learn more about Nissan's intelligent mobility, which creates a whole new way of driving that gives you peace of mind, opens up new experiences, and connects you to your world and those around you.
So this is used by our Nissan marketing professionals to explain to our customers about the Nissan Intelligent Mobility technology. So some of our customers are a bit apprehensive in doing the test drives, or some of them are new to the technology. So what we do is we have this 3D simulation of the NIM technology, which simplifies the technology for them. So for example, one of our key features is the Intelligent Around View Monitor. So here, we are trying to simulate a parking exercise. So normally, when you back out of a parking slot, you just rely on a normal backup camera, on your parking sensor. But for Nissan, you have a top view of your car. So it shows you what's going around the car before you back out. So kunyari, may mga gumagalaw, nag-alert din siya, oh, something is moving around your car. So it's very safe rather than rely on your backup camera. Next, blind spot warning. Okay, so when you drive, normally you have a blind spot on the sides of your car. Normally, it's your motorcycles or other cars. So here, pag may motorcycle sa side mo, your side view mirror, it's gonna alarm and light up to show you, oh, there's something on your side. Do not veer to the left or to the right. So it's giving you an added barrier of protection, na, oh, if you turn right or turn left, may motorcycle kang tatamaan. Next is the what we call the forward collision warning with intelligent emergency braking. So some of us, minsan hindi natin napapansin, may nagpreno agad na car sa harap. So the car, it reads the car in front of you. If it detects na, oh, masyado ka pang mabilis, hindi aabot yung brakes mo, it will brake on its own. Di ba pag umaatras ka ng parking, hindi mo nakikita kung may kotseng padating? We have the rear cross traffic alert. So here, when you back out, meron siyang radar, which reads about 66 feet away. So kung may car na padating, may visual alert and audible warning ka ulit. Oh, wag kang aatras, may padating na car. So basically, Nissan Intelligent Mobility helps to keep driving safer for all of our customers.
The tour also gave customers an opportunity to experience the all-new Livina.
So this is the all-new Nissan Livina. So as you can see, we have 3 highlights for the car. So number 1 is, of course, how good it looks. So it looks good from the front hanggang sa likod. It's actually very sexy. Second, it has a lot of convenience feature. So it's very comfortable to the new family. So this one is actually targeting entry-level families, yung mga family that is graduating from their regular sedans and they want a 7-seater MPV or multi-purpose vehicle. This vehicle is perfect for them. So also, of course, this car is equipped with our Nissan Intelligent Mobility technology. So first, of course, we have the keyless entry. So you have the intelligent keyless system. You can start the car by just pushing the button here. So second, we also have the 7-inch touchscreen entertainment system here. So you can pair your device, pwede kang gumamit ng Waze and everything. So it's actually here. And then you have the 7-inch monitor here, or 7-inch TFT screen, or the TFT screen. So you can see all the things that you need to see whenever you're driving. So as you can see, this car has a lot of storage spaces. So one example is this one. You have this, and then yung tray sa ilalim where you can put your shoes or anything that you need to, iPads and everything, that is very safe because it's not visible. So for the rear, we have, of course, we have the rear cooler. So we can be sure, we know that this is a Nissan, so malamig yung aircon niya. And then what's good about this is it's 7-seater. You can flat fold it, so if you have a lot of things to carry, it will fit inside. So dito sa likod, again, we have a lot of ample space. Yan. So if you have a big cargo or you're gonna be loading bikes, so kasya siya.
We believe entering this segment is something special for us since we've never been in this segment before. And we believe with this one, we will be able to approach and attract new set of customers. And with this all-new Livina, providing them more comfortable vehicles and competitive offers.
Other Nissan models were also available for test drive, such as the all-new Nissan Kicks e-Power.
So what's very special about Kicks e-Power is that it's a different powertrain. No? It has an electric motor. So basically, this Kicks e-Power is 100% electric motor-driven system. So meaning you get that very, very powerful torque and very smooth acceleration. Now, what's good about this e-Power is that it also has a gasoline engine that acts as a generator. So what it does is it charges the battery of the electric motor. So you don't need to plug in our vehicle. So there's no range anxiety, but you get that very powerful and EV-like driving performance.
Indeed, the future of driving has arrived, and it's definitely exciting.